Python is a popular high-level general-purpose programming language used by developers. Currently, it is the most important programming language being learned by students of class 11 and 12 computer science stream of Central Board of Secondary Education in India. Current version of Python, which can be downloaded from python.org, is Python 3.14.0, which was released on 7th October 2025, that is just a couple of days back. There are versions available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS, as well as Android platforms and a few more. There are mainly two options for using Python on Android platforms. A few more options are there which I did not try out. One is using Pyrrod 3, a popular and user-friendly IDE for Python 3 on Android. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It offers an offline interpreter, a package manager, and support for scientific libraries. Though I did install it initially in my Android tablet, the look and feel of it was not like Python installed on my Windows laptop. So it was uninstalled, and the next important option looked at. Termux, which can be downloaded from Google Play like Pyrrod 3, is a powerful terminal emulator that brings a Linux environment to Android. After installing Termux, Python can be installed within the Termux environment using pkg install python. This allows for running Python scripts and utilizing various command line tools. After installation of Python, which takes only a few minutes over a Wi-Fi internet connection from your home fiber router, typing Python in the terminal window of Termux starts the program, and the classical triple arrow Python prompt appears as in the laptop. On-screen keyboard can be used to type in the commands.